Good morning, students. I hope you all are fit and fine. Here I am with this new video of a new topic, kinds of impurities. As water is essential for our life on earth, we get water from many sources such as ponds, lakes, rivers, streams. Then what happened? Water reaches to our home through pipelines and taps, right? Tap water is usually dirty and needs to be cleaned before it can be used. It usually contains impurities like sand, mud, germs, chemicals, and sometimes even salt too. There are two kinds of impurities that found in water. One is soluble impurities and the second one is insoluble impurities. Soluble impurities that can be dissolved in water are called soluble impurities. For example, salt and germs and chemicals, like you can see in this picture. And next is insoluble impurities. Impurities that cannot be dissolved in water are called insoluble impurities. For example, sand, mud, and grit. Now, we can remove these insoluble impurities from water, and there are three processes in your syllabus. First is sedimentation, second is decantation, and third is filtration. Sedimentation. As you can see in this picture, in this process, water is allowed to stand undisturbed in a container. See the container on the left hand side? That water is stand undisturbed, that we are not allowed to touch it. After some time, what happened? Insoluble impurities such as sand, mud, grit suspended in water settle down as layer. This layer that has been formed of insoluble impurities at the right side figure on the bottom is called sediment. But still, sedimentation is a very slow process and it can take time very long actually. So therefore, sometimes we just add a certain substance. See, this is alum and this helps in sedimentation process to become faster. Alum is one such substance. Now you are just thinking, why is alum added to water? A small amount of alum is added into the water and alum particles get attached to the suspended impurities. It attracts impurities towards it and makes them too heavier to settle down very faster. See, there is a mixture of impurities on the first side, and in between we have just hang the alum particle in the solution, in the mixture. Okay, then what happened? That impurities get attached with the alum particle, and due to they become heavier now, they get settled down at the bottom of the beaker. And this process is known as loading. See, in the third beaker there is sediment and the clean water at the top and sediment as the bottom. This process is known as sedimentation. I hope you all get understand this, and in the next video we will discuss about decantation. Thank you.